Welcome to the CEDUR Synthetic Roofing Products Installation video. In this video, we'll guide you step by step to ensure smooth and professional installation of your CEDUR roof. Let's get started. CEDUR Shakes are manufactured in three widths: 5 1/4 inches, 7 1/4 inches, and 12 1/4 inches. All CEDUR Shakes are approximately 23 1/4 inches long. Similar to heavy-hand split natural CEDUR Shakes, CEDUR Shakes are 3/4 of an inch thick at the butt end and taper to 1/8 of an inch. CEDUR ridge pieces come in three pitches: low, medium, and high. Ridge pieces are 13 inches long, 3/4 of an inch thick, and cover 10 inches of the roof ridge. CEDUR started pieces come in one size, measuring 15 inches by 15 inches. They are 3/8 of an inch thick at one end and gradually taper down to 1/8 of an inch at the other end. All CEDUR Shakes have dimple marks that indicate where fasteners should be placed. The 5 1/4 inch and 7 1/4 inch Shakes each have 2 fastener locations, while the 12 1/4 inch Shakes have 3 fastener locations. CEDUR starter pieces require 4 fasteners, and CEDUR ridge pieces require 4 fasteners, 2 fasteners per side. The recommended fasteners for installation are ring shank roofing nails that are hot-dipped galvanized, 1 3/4 inches in length with an 11 gauge thickness and a 5/16 of an inch head. For ridge fastening, longer fasteners may be required based on various factors. During installation, it's important to drive the fasteners flush to the surface of the product. Be careful not to overdrive or underdrive the fasteners. Fasteners must penetrate at least 3/4 of an inch into or through the decking to ensure stability. See roof fastener guidelines and printed installation document for more information. Non-compliance to these fastening requirements may void the warranty. CEDUR Shakes are solid and colored throughout, providing consistent color stability at cut edges. If cutting is required, Shakes can be easily cut and scored using a utility knife or skill saw. CEDUR Shakes require no sealing or treatment to cut edges due to their closed cell structure, which permits no significant water absorption. To maintain a uniform roof appearance, always place the factory edge on the outside after making cuts. Since CEDUR Shakes are resistant to water absorption, they do not require sealing or treatment on cut edges. Each bundle of CEDUR Shakes contains 21 pieces, including 7 pieces of each size. When installed with a standard 10 inch to the weather exposure and a 3/8 of an inch keyway, 8 standard bundles will cover 1 roofing square, which is 100 square feet. CEDUR is a lightweight roofing product, weighing approximately 180 pounds per square. Additionally, no special fire-resistant underlayment is required to achieve a Class A fire-rated roofing system. It's important to note that CEDUR Shakes will, by design, shift color upon exposure to the sun. This color change happens gradually over the first 90 days after installation. Once this period is complete, the color stabilizes to a weathered wood color for the life of the product. For additional product information, please visit CEDUR.com.